It's our afternoon begins. Going for picnic and bench walk with species.
Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Australianang Bisaya today guys. Picnic with the girls tayo. Yahoo! Let's go guys! Picnic with the beautiful beshi. Say hello! Outside. So yeah, let's eat first before we're gonna go for our long walk. Baka
you walk, you will be full.
baka matutulog tayo after.
So our food for today, my beautiful people, rice, chicken, leva, prawn, and cucumber with the bishes. Hanlea, cherry berry, and Eileen, and me, Jen.
When we walk this,
No question. So we can have to exercise. So we'll do exercise first and then after we eat. And so, or look first after. And then next you can have to eat first and
yeah, I
so
thought I
walking
walk
first and
first.
then
Eat first.
walk.
You should eat first and walk.
Yeah, and walk. Burn the calorie, yeah?
Drink the healthy juice.
Okay, right. That's all true.
So guys, we finished our picnic. So we're going for a walk now. Maglalakad na tayo, Day. Para yung pagkain natin ba yung
Mabigat din siya.
magpaano na lang tayo, magpaano padaos-os sa buntod, alam mo yun? Yung magpaligid ba? Maybe the police there's a police inspection in the bush. So, mask on guys. So, mga beautiful peeps. Let's go. Beautiful place.
We start from the showground and hang rock and walk down to the footbridge. Wow! Spectacular view!
Let's go this way. So this is we're going for Hanging Rock. Look at Beanswalk. So, may mga tao guys. So, dito kami
Beanswalk
pupunta.
is one of the most popular bushwalk in Nowra in
So, ang ganda ng bato, oh.
Our walk begins here in showground.
It's beautiful rock.
Just be sure you're not hot.
Walang CR dito guys, kaya doon lang tayo sa tabi-tabi Let's go.
Yeah.
Welcome to my YouTube channel! Yeah, lasingin dua ito lasingin. Sino nang sunod? Let's go.
Beanswalk is a great place to step out and stretch our legs and enjoy the Shoalhaven River area and the forest and grassy shores.
guys, very beautiful. So scary. You can sit there if you're tired. Who's tired? You sit there.
Now,
I'm scared.
the bridge, the one that
That's why I want like this.
with the bedroom and oh.
So are we halfway or not yet? Halfway, and then there's is the view. Whoa.
Picture.
Oh, we can eat here. All our bag.
Picnic.
Next time.
Come on, Lynn, start again.
We're gonna practice the, what's that, romance? Yes. You're good, Eileen.
I don't know how.
Okay, we're gonna start again. Whoa, caught in a bad romance. Oh, too short? Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll do it again. Whoa! Look at the birds. Oh my goodness. Whoa! So, hindi ko napansin mga beautiful people na may mga tao palang parating. Hindi naman sila nagbigay ng hint. Oh. Yan sila, oh, nasa likod. I'll do it again. Whoa! What's that? Ah, okay. Oh! Caught in a... Whoa! I was gonna start it again, okay? Whoa! Oh! Oh my God! Huh?
At the start, you say whoa.
What's it say? Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
Hinihingal na. Paano pa ako makawo?
Oh my God! I need to do a voice lesson. Okay. You do it again?
Cherry again, cherry.
Oh, because if he didn't finish it, died. We'll start again.
Yeah, they have ano.
We can do a zip line here. Bridge. Birds. Yeah. Hanging bridge. Woohoo. Gentle, I don't know how to swim. So, oh, that's the view, guys. River. Continuation of Shilhavin High. With besties. Picture now? Ah,
Yeah, because in here very far. Yeah, I never go that far. Yeah.
so it's just like,
And they have delivered the stone. You walk up the
so hello you beautiful people,
very far.
yung lupain na yan, hindi kami ang nagmamayari dyan. So we're gonna go back. Hacienda de la Pazira. Charot. Wow, hanging bridge in Shilhaven. That's what they call lookout. So it's really beautiful. Going back now, guys. Pabalik na kami kasi beautiful tips. Let's go. Oh, this is another way. It's my turn now. Oh, what a caught in a bad romance. Ano na yun? Pacquiao ni Pacquiao.
Kapoy na, oy.
Oh, hello, Marilyn is tired now, Inday. So we need to have a sit. You need to sit down? No, not tired yet? Not tired? Come on. Go up, friend. Oh, it's a snake, a bayawak snake. Not snake, bayawak. Oh, so how far he can climb? Big lizard, this one?
Blue tongue lizard. It is.
But yeah, imagine in the Philippines, they will eat like lizard, I know?
Yeah.
Everything. But that's your okay. Yes, sir. Just remembering the in our country, no?
Look at that.
There's a lot of bush. Maybe there's a wombat inside. Hmm. Beautiful. Another where is which way is that? Going where?
Pine tree na.
Hmm. Huh? Hmm. Huh?
There's no crocodile.
No, it's not in Australia. This thing.
I seen one swimming. Hmm.
You want picture?
Yeah. That's already yeah.
Time for picture taking. Picture.
You can just.
Oh, beautiful paper. Welcome to my It's okay then. Whoa.
The leg.
Can I take one picture, guys?
Yeah.
Pinamag
It's alright, time.
Mm.
Nice place, beautiful place. You can go for a walk at the same time. You can see the river. What's that? What?
It's a beautiful place. If you're a nature lover, you really love it.
Why they call this Ben's Walk?
I don't know.
Because
ako dyan.
because dito si Ben nagwo-walk araw-araw. No, thank you. Maybe there's a snake waiting. It's like a cave. It's a cave. Hello? Anyone there? Mas masagot pa tayo dyan.
Climb up there.
No, dangerous. No. Pwede man siguro dyan, ha? No?
What about going down?
Nagpadaos-os.
Going down is the hard bit. Because it's steep.
Ready, dai?
The best view comes after the hardest climb.
See?
The top of the world.
Such a feeling
Let's go.
No, video.
Isn't the other end with young? So you go that way, right? You keep going to the bridge.
Yeah, they kept going. They have.
I can hold for you.
Huh?
I can hold.
Yeah, sure. Huh?
Read it.
Yeah.
Go there.
Oh, patay na. Oh, sorry. Hot in a bedroom.
What's that video?
And we're enjoying the rock climbing alongside the river. Very beautiful view.
Okay, number 84 from Los Angeles. Miss Universe 2021.
Thank you. We're here. What's the name? Scout Hall Dig Zone. Hall. Just the area here. Hi. We're coming. Yeah, I'm the next. They're taking me. Oh. Oh, you go. They call it zigzag because it's zigzag. You're tired, you can rest there. Okay. Hang on. Hello. Oh, you have a steak there? Oh, we're here. Not quite yet. Ah, they're here. Where? So free and die. Buy one, take one. Die. Buy one, take one.
After the long
Rubbish.
walk, and
So-
it's after 40 minutes, we're here in the middle of nowhere.
For sale.
Let's wonder where the Wi-Fi is weak.
Car for free. Shit, Pooh is in the car. With a plastic bag, it's like a dugo-dugo. Dai, it's like a dugo-dugo. Ah, there's a blue house. We're in the main highway. We get lost now, guys.
Yeah.
Which way we gonna go?
No, we're just walking.
Yeah. We're going home walking. First Nowra Scout. What's the first Nowra Scout? So, tapos na kami sa aming bench walk, guys. So, pumunta na kami sa car namin. So, Nowra Road. Nowra Road. Kahit Sunday, sobrang tahimik. Walang tao. There's no one around in the street talking, no? Sobrang tahimik. Oh, someone's calling. So, hello guys. Hello mga beautiful people na nanonood sa YouTube channel ko. Thank you so much. Nanonood pa rin kayo kasi lalo kayong gumaganda pag pinapanood niyo yung video ko. Chat ha. So, hanapin namin yung car park kasi hindi we get lost. Kung nasaan yun. Paikot-ikot. So, can we ask Mr. Google? Google Map? Hindi kami nawawala guys. No, nagpalakad-lakad lang talaga kami. We like to go for walks. So. Hey, yo! Let's go walk. La 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 la. Let's go walk. Having fun. Happy Saturday sa inyong lahat. Yes, one day. It's up and ready to go to work. Whoa! Why we need some money? So, nawawala kami guys. So, babalik kami.
1 hour later.
So, babalik na kami sa aming nilakara. Sinawawala kami. Dito may parang may libreng upuan, chair. So, sino kaya magbubuhat sa aming apat nito? For free! For free! Oh, foam and so have sit here.
I don't know how can people just dump their
That
Yeah.
is a gaming chair.
yeah, like that, just rubbish stuff.
So this one is still okay. Oh, if it's in the Philippines, no? In our country, no?
Take Jan.
The like a van.
Rubbish. Yan, iniiwan lang ng mga tao dito. So wala sila, hindi sila pakialam. May mga tao din na walang pakialam sa mga gamit nila na hindi man makalagay sa tip. Pero kasi yung tips may bayad din kasi, no? We need to pay. Kaya iniwan na lang. Maybe they don't have the free voucher. Kaya iniwan lang. Oh, that's the thing too. So iniwan lang nila dito. Grabe sila, no? We will not be here for until midnight. If we get lost, we can put our shirt upside.
Sabi nila,
Yeah.
pag nawawala ka raw, balihon mo lang yung
Put it
mga
in a
damit
side,
mo.
other side. Kailangan namin ng Google Map. I thanks God for the protector and the kissing. No, look your phone ko. There. Guys, na wrong turn kami, na wrong turn. So we're nearly there. See in the car? Yo-ho! We're finally nearly there. Maligo tayo sa sapa. Huh?
Someone put 10 cents one step.
Come here for the rock.
This no, not that one. In there, like hanging bridge, but rocks.
You go there. Wow! Careful! Excuse me. So, look at that, guys. Oh! Hurry. Grabe ka to, ngason. We're nearly there, Day. Huh? We're nearly there. Dito na. Busting. Dito boss, Day. You done? Ano kayang ginagawa nila doon? Basta silang umihi. May tao pala sa likod mo. Baka makagat yung puwit yun ng aso. Dear. Malapit na kami, hey. It's a good walk.
With the off-road.
Returning home is the most difficult part of long-distance walking, most especially if you got lost.
Did you have put bring some spray? So finally guys, sinusundan namin yung babae guys kasi nawawala kami. At ngayon alam na namin kung nasaan. Ay, salamat.